Today's January 4th. Something I've been meaning to do on this tractor for quite a while is I need to get some kind of safety pipe that goes around this that will keep this from coming down. It does have a slow fade in it. In the course of a week or so, this will come down a couple feet. But I would like to get it something that sits in here on this and this. Just goes over this and keeps it from coming down. Just to be able to work safe on the engine and not have to worry about that thing coming down and guillotining you. So I've started digging through my crap, and I've got a piece of pipe, a piece of 2-inch pipe. That's an 1.5 inch shaft. So I think what I'm gonna do is try to cut, 1.5 inches through here. It's 21 inches long, or 21.5. And maybe kind of kerf these out so it sits over that that cross piece at the end of the shaft. And we'll try to cut this with this this plasma cutter. Haven't used this yet. This is a Bestarc. I think it comes out of the Arc Captain stuff. And haven't used it yet, but it is a 220, which actually fits my 50 amp outlet, which is good. So power should not be an issue. You got to get air to it. Change out the air fitting in the back because I've changed all my air fittings to those blue cobalt couplings so that I've got everything is exactly the same, because I'm having some differences in those air couplings. So first I'm going to do is get that taken out, and then we'll start seeing how this thing gets put together. One of those. That's the differences in the two. The one that came out, not a whole lot of thread on there. Get some gummy crap they use for sealant. I don't know what that's all about, but get some Teflon on this and get that threaded in. It's kind of cool. This thing's got a little water separator bulb in it here. Pop off. It's kind of cool. Some new ones on. All right, let's see what we got here. This is the ground. Comes in somehow. All right. Here we got this little deal. So that's the air fitting. Quite know where that goes. We got this little 2-pin connector. The pilot arc. The pilot arc. Control line. Now I got to get this air fitting in here. All right. Well, it's got a little. Alright, so I've marked this about, it's about 1.75 inches. So we'll cut this back to 21.5. Cut that out. See how that works. All right, power in. Got the ground on. Got the air hooked up. Got the pressure set. Breaker in the back here. Turn that on, see what she does. Alright. So it's showing 220 volts, 15 amps, 2T, it is in the cut mode. Alright, let's see how she does. Well, that's not too shabby. That's a nice cut. I'm gonna clean this up with a grinder and see how it fits. All right, so put a little kerf on the end. That'll be good, doesn't want to roll out of there. So it should just stay right there. All right, get that cleaned up, painted, probably a bright yellow. So don't forget that it's on there. Well, that's a win.